Good morning. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and I am in the back of Camp Subaru, and I just wanted to show you guys my window insulation and light covers. These things are awesome, and yeah, so let's take a look. So as you can see, they are super efficient at what they do. Right now I have them in the cold weather mode, which is the blackout on the outside and the reflective silver on the inside. Keeps it nice and toasty. But let me close the door and show you with the light on, of course. So silver side is on the inside. And then in the summertime, when you want to keep the heat out a little bit more, you put the silver on the outside. But let's go on the outside of the car and take a look. All right, so this isn't gonna be like a super detailed tutorial on how to set them up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I've got the silver side on the inside, which keeps the heat in, and the black on the outside. Even sometimes when I'm at like a rest stop at night, and even if it's hot, I'll do the black side out, just because it's a little bit more incognito. So that's what I really wanted to show off right now, is how awesome it is. It really works. Cool. So here we go. Should I put a hat on, guys? Yeah, let's put a hat on. There we go. So, let's close the door here. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, and you see basically the reflection. It's a little shiny. I mean, if you get up close, you can tell, but from far away, you can't really tell at all. So what I did is right here, the back window is actually silver. I don't know if you can see that, see the difference. But do a quick walk around. You really see, there's the silver there, and that's black. So when the sun really hits it, it looks a little silver, but at nighttime you really can't tell. There's the front windshield. It is super stealth mode. So one thing I will say about these, they're made by WeatherTech, a super reputable company made here in Colorado, actually. And it's high quality. You get what you pay for. I know a lot of people complain about the price. When I bought them, they were $160 for a small SUV set. But it's durable, it's quality, and I didn't have to make them. I know a lot of people do these DIY projects. They go to Home Depot, they get the insulation, they get the fabric from the craft store, they use glue, they make templates. My time is money, and that's just like, even if I have a half day off, I don't want to do that. The quality that I got from these was 100% worth it. Yeah, and I love these things. I mean, like I said, they look great. They fit really, really well. Let's see. So they basically have a pull tab on either side. So they're really reversible. So if I wanted the black side to be on the inside, I would just take the passenger side and put it on the driver's side. They're labeled on the reflective side, which is cool. After a while, you kind of just get to know which one they are. But yeah, they like, might have to do the tripod here, but Yeah, just goes right in. So the last thing I want to talk about is storage for these. Like I said, they're durable, high quality, but with that comes a small issue. They're thick. Not super thick, but you're not supposed to like fold them, because I think when you fold them, it compromises them. So the windshield, which is kind of the largest one, comes with a Velcro strap around it. So the intention is to take all of them and roll them up. I did it once, and it's the size of this log right here. And you can buy an extra storage bag. I bought the bag for it. I use it for dirty laundry. What I did instead is I keep them flat. And I made this string system just going across the roof of my car. And I put them all up there. I take some little banana clips and clip them together and keep them up there. The only one that I had to fold was the main windshield, because that one is so large. It's tall and it's wide. So I fold that one in half and stuff it up there. I haven't had any issues with it yet. But I figure like I'll probably roll them up and put them in the storage bag if I'm not traveling around, if I don't need them. I also don't see myself using the main windshield one. Is amazing, but it's just cumbersome, and it's kind of an issue to use on a day-to-day basis. So like if I'm in the Southeast in the middle of summertime and I park someplace for an hour and I just want to just put something in the windshield to keep the heat out a little bit, I'm probably going to use one of those ones that you can just fold up really quickly and put on the side of the seat. I love these. I just don't see them as like a day-to-day thing. But for when you're car camping or stealth camping, if you're a van lifer and you want these for your front 3 windshields, I highly recommend that. Yeah, so also just want to mention, I'm not affiliated with WeatherTech. I love their products. I actually have their rain guards here for the windows as well. I do want to say that if you are sleeping in your car, you have to crack your windows, or else you're going to get a lot of condensation. So I'll either crack the windows and just kind of peel these back a little bit so you get airflow, or if I know there's no bugs and it's not going to rain, I'll just pop the sunroof for a little bit and get airflow there. But yeah, that's it. WeatherTech. I don't even know what these are officially called, but they're amazing.